Today we're working on a super fun, super easy DIY project that you can actually do with your kids. Hey everybody, welcome back. Stonebrook Adventure. Today we're gonna do a review on a really cool product. The guys over at Insane Chains sent us these bicycle chain covers. Super cool invention. This guy's got a 20-year utility patent on this product. And when I first seen it, I was really impressed with it. It's a simple concept, but this is something I think is really gonna get the kids out on the bike. Go ahead, Reef, open this up. Let's show them what this is, what comes in the box. So these chain covers come in 75 different color combinations. And what they do is, if you look here, this is a little sample here. You have your bicycle chain and it snaps right on top of the bicycle chain. What it does is it keeps that grease off of your pants, but I think more importantly, it gets them out in the shop. We can start working on the bike together, gives them a little bit of ownership in their bicycle, and it's gonna get them out riding the bicycle. Like we used to do when we were kids, we'd put the little cards in the spokes to play around with the bikes. We'd put stickers, we'd customize our bicycles, and that's what got us out on the bike. So we're gonna put some of these on his bike and get him out riding around.
It also comes with a sticker that says Insane Chains to put on your bike.
Awesome. 75 different color combinations, anything to match the bike that you have. His bike's a blue and black bike, so he decided that he wanted the blue and white to give it a little contrast. Let's go ahead and install it on the bicycle. Here, when you do it, slide it nice and tight like that, and then.
Oh, does it go all the way back to right
Yep.
like here?
Nice. We're alternating the colors and they're gonna wipe off nice and clean when we're finished. Nice. Getting dirty in the shop. Tell you what, both of us really had a good time working together on this project. We spent some quality time together. He got some ownership in the project. He did it all by himself, and he walked away with a really confident sense of pride. If you want to get one of these chain cover kits, I've left a link down below that's going to take you straight to the product page. Now the final part, we got to put the
sticker.
Yeah, bud.
Maybe we should put it here.
I like that.
Let's put it
Yeah,
here.
dude, I like that.
Perfect. Insane Chains. So
he took this thing out for a test ride, fully functional. We didn't have any issues whatsoever on this bicycle. We're really, really happy with the product.
From Stonebrook Adventure, till next time, boop.